Heat places enormous physical stress on commercial vehicles. As temperatures rise, critical components like tires, brakes, and batteries operate in extreme conditions. The most effective operational defense against this accelerated wear is completing a thorough daily driver vehicle inspection report, or DVIR. A minor mechanical deficiency that goes unnoticed during cooler winter or spring months will be rapidly exposed by summer temperatures. This chart shows the escalation path of a minor mechanical defect. When extreme heat is applied to a stressed component, the rate of wear shifts from a slow degradation to an exponential curve, resulting in a sudden roadside breakdown. Consequently, preventative maintenance schedules and driver inspection routines must adjust to accommodate these seasonal temperature extremes. To counter these seasonal risks, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration requires strict daily vehicle inspections. This side-by-side visualization outlines two primary FMCSA mandates. On the left is 49 CFR Section 396.11, dictating the strict identification of defects. Under this rule, drivers must formally report any discovered deficiency that could impact safe operation or cause mechanical failure. On the right is Section 396.13, which focuses on pre-trip verification and driver satisfaction. This regulation requires drivers to personally review previous inspection reports and verify the vehicle is in a safe operating condition before putting it in motion. DVIRs are legally binding safety protocols designed to protect the public and the company. This top-down schematic highlights vehicle systems vulnerable to summer heat. First, thermal indicators pinpoint tire inflation and engine coolant. Next, indicators shift to the engine block and brakes to identify leaks and ensure stopping power. Finally, inspections cover battery health, wipers, exterior lights, and cab AC. Air conditioning operates as a critical safety feature. Maintaining a cool cab directly reduces severe driver fatigue during long shifts in extreme heat. Accurately logging these items immediately provides maintenance teams with the exact data they need to perform repairs before the issues escalate into expensive breakdowns. Failing these inspections increases accident risks, damages CSA safety performance scores, and creates FMCSA audit vulnerabilities. Taking the extra minutes to execute a rigorous DVIR ensures maximum vehicle uptime, protects drivers on the road, and keeps freight moving safely.